Apprenticeships are more than training programs, they're bridges to opportunity. By combining classroom learning with hands-on experience, they equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to step confidently into the workforce. In 2018, that vision took a new shape at Craven Community College thanks to a bold $200,000 investment from Duke Energy. This investment launched the Craven County Apprentice Program, redefining workforce readiness in our community by covering the costs of tuition, fees, and books for aspiring manufacturing professionals. Thanks to support from local partners and manufacturing leaders, this apprenticeship program has developed a skilled, job-ready workforce in Craven County. This grant from Duke Energy has set real change in motion, equipping students with the resources and training they need to build brighter futures. This investment has created a stronger foundation for individual careers and for our entire local workforce. Thanks to Duke Energy, we're excited to continue this momentum and see what our students accomplish next.